Alright guys, this is John with Chicken Ship Farms back again, and today we're going to bring you something a little different. We're at our local RV store, one that we actually shop at quite a bit, and we're going to show you some of the specials they have on the lot today. This is a small Jayco. Let's get some information on it here for you guys. Right there. Now what's cool about this is this thing here weighs loaded like 3,500 pounds. You can almost tow this with anything, small SUV. Some of the minivans out there can tow this, but it does have a small dinette slide here. Regular suburban furnace, hot water heater, propane. I believe this is your fridge vents here on the outside. All your CD water connections, you got your cable, water inlet. This right here is your power. Some of these are even pre-wired for solar. I don't believe this one is. An outside shower. Spare tire. This has got regular scissor jacks there. Power awning. Has an outside TV mount. Cable connections there. Storage in the front. Does have aluminum wheels. Come inside and check this layout out for you. Alright, this one has a small kitchen on the back side right here. Really cool little propane stove, small sink, plenty of counter space in here. There you go. Like what they've done here. Like I said, they actually staged these to give you a better look. These are really neat here. And you got your microwave here, small fridge, which is actually a pretty decent sized fridge for in here. This is the small little slide out we were talking about outside. See, the refrigerator's part of it, and this little U-shaped dinette here. Of course, you've got some storage here. There you go. All three sides. Here's a little information on it. I said it's at Cleveland RV here in Cleveland, Georgia. It's our local place. We've got it marked down to 15.9. I said come in and talk to them. These are great people here. We've dealt with them a lot in the past, especially for parts for our camper and things like that. Of course, up here you've got this looks like I don't think that's a queen. It looks like it's a full-size bed up front. I said I could be wrong. It may be a queen, but definitely a little storage here. Windows, got a nice flat panel TV here. This should also be hooked to your TV. This is your DVD player and everything right here. Hello everybody. A pretty decent size storage here. It's your thermostat. This is, I believe, for your heat. This is your heat. And I think all the AC controls are up here on the unit. Now, I may be wrong with that. They may actually run through here too. Some more pantry storage. Up here. And a very small little bathroom. A little wet bath here. This is a lot of what you would find on like your truck campers and stuff like that. That's probably the downside of this layout here. Is I actually like to have a little bit more shower space. I mean, it's still good enough that I can get in there and use it, and I'm a big guy, so. But having your own bathroom is a must anymore. I swear it is. So, it's your access panels underneath there. I've got something under the bed here. I'm not sure what it is. I don't want to pull it out, but even right there, you've got some USB chargers. By your plug there. I said it's a decent size. I did not see a table in here. I don't know if there is one, but I know that that board there goes right here, so this can make a small bed here. And it's still big enough for one person. I don't think two people would fit on here very well, but let's give you a good look of what kind of space you have in here for a small camper. Having a slide on a camper this size is really a wonderful thing. It opens it up so much because it's still a small camper. As you see, you got all LED lighting in here, right there. And all the exterior lights are also LED. I said with a power awning, this is very nice. I said once I've had a power awning, I don't think I could ever go back. I said great small camper, good for 2 people, especially if you don't want anything big. I said here's your slide controls here. This is a power awning, so here's your awning controls. These are your light switches, and these are your battery gauges and for your fresh black and gray water tanks. This is fully self-contained. So alright guys, if you like this little thing, it's something you're looking for, there's the information right here, and I'll also put it in the description so you can get a hold of them. Like I said, Cleveland RV is some great people, wonderful people to deal with, so definitely check them out.